Oh yeah, it's a shark. It's a shark. It's a nice shark. Baby, reel that one in. Oh man, it's gonna spool me out. Oh no. Laki to. What is up people? Today nagfi-fishing kami buong family dito sa secret location na sa sobrang secret niya. Pati yung mga isda, hindi nila alam tong location na to. So hopefully makahuli tayo ng magagandang isda. Ayan, kasama natin si Iya, si Marshall, pati si Cheryl, nakisali na din. So ayun, dito kami hanggang mamayang hapon. Si Marshall ang aming supervisor. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, there you go. And so far, si Cheryl, nakahuli na siya ng isang maya. Ayan, ayun oh, pumapasag-pasag pa oh. Ayun, masarap ulam yan. So, legal size na dito sa Georgia. Kaya naman ikikip natin. And nakahuli na rin kami ng mga maliliit na isda. Ayan, pangpain natin yung shark. Ayan, so, ito, meron akong shark rig dito. Ayan. Hopefully, makahuli tayo ng bull red or, you know, black drum or shark. And sobrang lakas ng hangin dito. I don't know if you guys, takpan ko na lang yung GoPro. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Pero, yung weather, hindi ganun kaganda. And si Iya, what happened Iya? Naku, na-stuck. He got stuck? Yo! Come here! Stoop, come here! I got fish for you, dog! Right there! That's why I named him Stoop. There it is. He gonna drop it. Look, watch. Ah, hindi nalaglag. One time binigyan ko ng isda yung ibon, nilaglag lang niya sa tubig eh.
Is that the same fish?
Huh?
No, not fish.
What happened?
Is that the same bird?
Yeah! Mr. Stoop. Mr. Stoop the bird. I got one. See this? Got a little fishy. Right there. Come on, fishy. Oh yeah. Right there. Nice fishy. Oh, may bait na naman tayo. Puro ganito na uhuli. Walang malaki eh. But that's fine. It's okay. At least may isda tayo, di ba? Woohoo! Ang tawag nila dito sa amin is pigfish. Aray, natusok pa ako. Pigfish or grunt. Ayan. Kasi yung mga iba nito nag-grunt sila. Ayan. Nag-grunt sila na tunog baboy. Parang gano'n. I'm gonna save that as bait. We got fishy. Oy, may pang bait na naman tayo. Oy, little fish. Oh, pinfish. Oh no, it's not. Yes, pinfish. Perfect bait. Pinfish swallowed your hook again. Oh, never mind. It's right here. Pinfish yan. Magandang bait yan. So, ito yung ginagamit ko normally na pang bait. Kaya meron tayong maliit na setup na ganito. Para kay Ian Marshall. Ayan o. Ito yung ginagamit namin na panghuli ng bait. And then, pag nakahuli kami ng bait na ganito, kakat namin. And then, yun yung panghuli natin ng malalaking isda. Tabi natin to, pang bait. Ayan. Nice. Ayan, meron tayong fresh na bait. Pinupit ko lang yung ulo tsaka yung buntot. Pinuhook lang yan natin ng ganyan. Well, maybe not. Kailangan medyo expose yung hook. Well, you know what? Okay na yan. Nakakahuli naman ako ng isda kahit ganyan eh. Sige. Then ikakas lang natin siya ng malayo. Well, as far as I can cast it. Kasi ang bigat nito eh. Hirap siya i-cast. Lalo na pagka malambot yung rod ko. Itong rod ko kasi na to, malambot yung tip niya. Dito matigas, so medyo mahirap siyang i-flick. Alright. Hirap i-cast. That's fine. So, kanina pa siya dito. Wala pa ring huli. Ah, na-stuck na naman yata. Oh no, don't get stuck in there. Dang it, dude. Stuck siguro sa batuhan. Uy, nakasurvive, nahila. Nahila siya. Come on. Oh, look at this. Oh my jeez. Watch it, watch it. A crab. What in the world is this? Hindi bumitaw oh. Oh Lord. Feels like a strong crab. Alright. Anong crab ba to? First time ko makahuli nitong crab. Naka-record ba ako? Okay. Kaya pala wala nang kumakagat sa bait ko kasi may crab na.
Okay.
Okay.
Somewhere.
Got it. Yup. Crabby. First time ko makakita ng gantong crab. Ang laki ng ano, ng galamay or ng pang... Ano ba tawag dito? Yeah, it's a nice Mr. Krabby. Alright, bye-bye. Sheesh. Just gonna cast it right here. Yan, dyan lang. Hopefully, makakuha tayo ng fish da. There we go. Kanina may mga nahuli kong fish da eh. Ngayon medyo nawala na. Ito yung setup ni Iya. Ugly stick, Dark Demon. Ayan. Sobrang nipis lang ng line. I don't even know kung anong line na yan. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kakapal. Pero so far, okay lang pambata. Alright, so ang lakas kasi ng alon ngayon. Here. You know what to do, right? You good, Marshall? What are you eating, son? Give me some of that. Huwag mo to, dali, dali. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's a shark. It's a shark. It's a nice shark. Baby, reel that one in. Oh man, it's gonna spool me out. Oh no. Laki to. Higpitan mo yung drag niyan, babe. Oh man. Well, this might not be a shark. Kasi kung shark to... Oh, damn it. It snapped me. It snapped me. Putol. Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I was holding this and then I felt the...
Good job, baby.
What was that?
That was a shark. That was a shark. Hindi, okay lang na naputol. Sigurado naputol yun sa ano. You can't, baby. Kinagat niya yung maliit. Kung yung malaki yung kinagat niya, that would be nice. Pero that's fine. That was a nice pull. It's higpit, oh. And then, hinila pa rin. Yeah, it's a shark. Kasi, kung red yun, makukuha ko yun eh. But that's fine. Alright. So, kitang-kita nyo naman, sayang na sayang yung nahook ko na isda. I'm pretty sure na shark talaga yon kasi yung hila niya, ang lakas. So, ang pagkakamali ng isda na yun, kinagat niya yung bait na nasa maliit na rig, na nasa maliit na fishing pole. Kung ito sana, yung kinagat niya, ayan, siguradong huli yon kasi matibay itong, makapal yung line niya. Nasa, I think, 80 pound yung size ng line nito. Yung kinagat niya, 20 pound lang na nasa 3,000 na reel. That's fine. Hintay pa tayo ng konti. Malayo nyo, baka makahuli pa tayo ng isa pang fishy. You know? Pero sayang talaga eh. Pero that was a good fight daw. Hintay pa ako ng mga 30 minutes maybe. And then pag wala pang huli, uwi na tayo. And then lutuin natin yung maya-maya na nahuli ni Cheryl. Gutom na ako. Alright. Ha? Oh yeah. Kailangan ito yung kagatin ng shark, hindi yung maliit. Huh? No, we got some here. Alright, hagis ko lang to. Watch out, people. Okay lang, huliin natin yung malaking shark na yun. Eto sana yung kagatin niya. Watch it, baby. There it is, right there. Right there. Okay, hintay lang tayo. That's a nice fight though. Kaya lang muntik na masunog yung drag nung ano ko, bagong pen. Bago pa naman yun, kakaspool ko lang. Well, medyo pumapangit na yung weather and wala na rin kumakagat na isda. Meron mga maliliit and then yung nahuli ko na crab. So yeah, I guess it's time to go home. Si Marshall gusto na rin umuwi. So yeah, maybe uwi na muna tayo and then lutuin natin yung isang maya-maya na nahuli namin. So ayun, lagi ako nakakahuli ng mga mangrove snappers dito. Tsaka yung tinatawag na, ibang tawag doon, flounder. Yun, flounder. And yun ang paborito ng mga batang kainin. So ayun, kita mo si Marshall, oh. Uwing-uwi na. Si medyo nabuburyong na. You wanna go home? Yeah? Yeah? Marshall, go baby. Be careful. Don't go too fast now. Slow down, people. Slow down. We'll get there. Come on, baby. You got it. Come on. Get it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There you go. Be careful. There's a lot of spikes on the ground. Go. Let's get in the car. At yun na nga mga Erp, isa na namang walang kakwenta-kwentang vlog ang napanood nyo. Pasensya na kayo sa kulay nung GoPro footage ko. Lahat kami kulay orange for some reason. I don't know what's going on with my GoPro, pero choosy pa ba ako? Bihira na nga lang ako mag-upload. Speaking of bihirang mag-upload, may mga inayos lang ako, naging busy lang, pero back in the game na ako. Maybe at least once a week mag-upload ako ng vlogs. And yeah, salamat at nandito pa rin yung mga OG natin, you know? Pinabasa ko yung mga comment nyo and you know, I feel kinda great kasi talagang ang tagal kong walang upload for the past like 3 months. So, ang last upload ko yata is yung nagpunta kami sa Ginny Springs. And ito. So, ayun. And next time, huhulihin ko yung shark na nakawala. So, mali lang talaga yung kinagat niya na bait. Doon siya kumagat sa maliit. Anyway, salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At lagi niyo tatandaan mga Erp. Love, peace, and happiness lang. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.